Hello, everybody. I have an update of my Monstera Thai collection. I cut off the leaf that was most infested, and I took out the straw that had mini bugs inside it between the tape. I'm going to be repotting this plant maybe a couple months later and put it in the soil how it should be put. So far, so good. No more mealy bugs. It's been how long? I don't remember. 2 weeks? I'm not sure. And so far, so good. No mealybugs. I have to save it because it is a gift from my husband from our anniversary, and I want to take care of it. But I do have it far away from the other plants, so it's not close to none of my plants. It's on a table. What I used was the alcohol, and then I wet the paper towel with alcohol, and I started wiping each leaf under and on top, and then I started keeping an eye on it. And again, I checked it today. I sprayed it all over, even the roots. I'm sorry, but I had to spray all over, and nothing happened to the plant. The plant is fine. It's still alive, thank goodness. So it kind of worked. I hope so. They don't come back. That's the update for this plant. I don't have no more pest infestation, no other mites. I fixed the Chinese evergreen, which kept on having problems on that one. And what I did is just took it out of the soil, washed it up, and put it in a bowl with soap and left it there for 30 minutes. It didn't die. I was afraid it would die because I did leave it for 30 minutes because I was tired of getting all those mini bugs, and I even got rid of my orchids. I had enough because those sticky residues, they never would come off. So hey, might as well buy another one, but this time not the cheaper side. I noticed when you buy cheaper ones, that's the ones that come more infested, because I bought more orchids. I'm not sure if you saw my short video of the Chinese supermarket selling cheap orchids, 3 for 10 or something. I'm not even sure how much it was, and they all started having mealybugs, and I'm like, oh my god. I started freaking out. I just took them away. I just threw them in the bag, and I said, I've had enough. I might as well spend a little more and be safe. That's what I'm seeing so far. Because when I spend a little more, this plant was not cheap. I'm sorry. And it started getting mealybugs. And it was right beside the plants that had no history of mealybugs or scale, nothing like that. It was right beside it. So apparently it had it already in between, because she taped it. The lady that sold it to me taped it. Inside the tape, there was mealybugs. So I don't know, but I'm not throwing this one because, yeah, it costs money. Way too much. This one's more easier to see and more easier to clean. Fingers crossed that they're forever gone. Oh my God, look at my birds. I don't know if you can see that. All you see is dead leaves there, but there's so many little tiny birds that are eating. As you notice, I put a thing on the top to cover them, help them be covered. These little birds. I don't want to make you dizzy, but there they are. You see them? There's so many there. And I put that to cover them, to protect them from the hawks, the carnivorous birds that eat little. Do you see how many there are? Oh, they're gone. I think they saw me. They're on the wood. I have my little wood there, and they're right there. Anyways, we're not talking about birds. I just wanted to show you my little chickens. Well, they're not my chickens. They're little tiny sparrows. I love to feed them, but my husky, always when he's outside, he runs them off. It's like, this is my territory, get out. Oh, Lord. Anyways, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this update. And if you're having problems, this is what I have done. Like I said, I've used alcohol. And if that's not the solution, then just use Dawn soap with water. I use warm water and put Dawn soap, like a tablespoon I put. And then I start spraying all over if that doesn't work. But so far, so good. The alcohol worked. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.